Why am I about to put this record in the oven? Here we go. It's starting to become malleable. Make sure you use your oven mitts. And you need something heavy to press down the center. And leave it there. This one was a little overdone and it is hardening in an awkward position, but I think it'll still be okay. And here are the remaining bowls that I made. These can be used for literally anything you would want a bowl for. I'm gonna be spraying the inside of them with a clear coat, and you could put chips in these, you could put your keys, you could put your cell phones, you could just about do anything. It would potentially even make a great little jewelry dish. So I'm gonna see if I can still salvage this one and we'll take it from there. Let me know if you decide to make one yourself.